So you need to know how to do a chic updo. Let me share with you one of my favorites. It is so easy to do. Literally anyone can do it. So let's go ahead and get started. So as with any updo, it's honestly gonna help starting with curled hair. So whether you have curly hair already, wavy hair already, you want some type of texture to your hair. Here you can see I did robe curls. I did these last night. This is what I look like, and then this is what I look like today. So I have done plenty of videos on these. You can either do unicorn curls like I did. You can do them on the side of your head. I have videos that you can watch. I'll also link them down in my description box. So no excuses. You can also curl your hair the same day, but if you want to save time,
just do it the night before.
It takes 5 minutes. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to determine where your part is. I like a side part, so I'm just gonna leave out some some face framing pieces in the front, like so. I'm just gonna take the rest back into a ponytail. So this is where you decide where you want your bun. Do you want it super low? Do you want it kind of up high? I am just going for like an in the middle type bun situation. Now I'm taking a clear elastic. I'm just gonna tie it back. Now, as someone who has had their hair elastic break, make sure you're not using super cheap ones. I've had them break in updos and then it just ruins your whole updo. So most hairstylists honestly would probably tease the top of your head. I'm not gonna tease today, I don't wanna tease my hair. But to get volume, I am gonna pinch and pull at the end, and I will show you guys that. Move that mirror so it's not distracting. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your ponytail and you're gonna split it. You want 2 halves, 2 exact halves. So just split it into 2. We're gonna take the top section and we're just gonna twist it around our finger. Actually twisting, I guess, towards my head. So twist it. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go under, up, and around. And I'm gonna let my ends hang down. Go under, up, and around. Okay? So I have this like half bun up here. And I'm just gonna kind of hold it down. And I'm gonna bobby pin. So I'm just gonna stick probably 2 or so bobby pins right into that little half bun that we just did. If you need more, add more, but okay, so here's what I have so far. So you want to really pay attention to what way you just went. So I went this way. So now we're going to go opposite with our bottom section. I wish I got paid for how many times I tell you guys this, but as always, you want the ridges facing down when you insert your bobby pins. You do not want to insert your bobby pins like this. They're going to fall out. The ridges are what's going to catch your hair and stay. I will link my favorite bobby pins. These are Metagrip. They're heavy duty. They're not drugstore. They're not going to fall out. All right, so remember how I said to wrap opposite? We're also going to twist opposite. So I'm going to twist away from my face this time. Away from my face. But I'm just going to overlap my bun like this. Cross it over and just kind of let the ends hang for a second. But I'm just going to overlap my bun like this. And we are going to insert bobby pin. So same thing, insert your bobby pin. Insert your bobby pin. You want to make sure your side over here is bobby pinned, so don't forget to insert right there. All right, so you should, if you have hair like mine or longer, you should have something like this. If you have hair shorter, maybe you stop here, maybe you just tuck in some ends. It's all going to be dependent on how long your hair is. Everyone's hair is different, so alter this according to your hair. So you've got some choices depending how long your hair is. You can either twist it around your finger, you know, drape it across, kind of do like a zigzag back and forth bobby pinning as you go. But I don't have very much ends left, so all I'm going to do is just tuck it up under like this and kind of hide it and bobby pin. So now it's just kind of final detailing. So I'm just kind of pinching stuff that maybe doesn't look as full as some spots. Just making sure it looks nice and cohesive throughout. So one trick I like to do to really give that like smooth appearance is a shine spray or like a smoothing serum. Of course, I don't have any in my bathroom right now, so let me go grab some real quick. I could not find a shine spray, but I did find this. It is a shine spray. It says to use it. It's heat activated, but like I'm not gonna use it that way. So take that with a grain of salt, but this is what I found. Spray this all over. We want nice and sleek. And I just so happen this is not sponsored by Tresemme.
I wish it was, Tresemme. Hit me up.
But I'm just gonna spray this hairspray. All right, so all I'm gonna do is just kind of insert it into my hair and just kind of lift up a little. Lift up. It's not gonna hurt anything. I also love pinching and pulling like this. Pinch and pull all the way around. This just gives some nice texture to your head. Take a look from the front, see how we're doing. I might fix these pieces over here. Try not to burn myself. I kind of like it just tucked behind my ear. Just gonna tease it a little bit. Not like that. Reminds me of Where is Mary? Is that that movie? We're just gonna kind of smooth this down a little bit. I think I'm happy with this. I feel like this piece is being a little too whoosh. I feel like I need a little bit of a bend with my curl here, so I'm just gonna recurl this piece. Much better. I'm gonna do the same with this back piece. That kind of calmed it down a little bit. If something's ever just not looking right, try recurling. That seems to always help me. So this is the completed bun. This would look
So cute.
with a cute little bridesmaid dress or like a wedding guest dress, or maybe you're going to a beach, or maybe you're just going out to lunch and shopping with some friends. This is for you. I'm like spitting. You could add a braid, you could leave out some hair in the front, twist it, pin it back, do whatever you want to do. This is just the basics to kind of get you somewhere. And then once you feel comfortable with it, accessorize it more, add some pins.
Do what you want to do.
I'm gonna turn around, we're gonna do the full complete circle and show you it from all angles. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Hope you like this. There'll be more to come because the weather's getting warmer. I don't like my hair in my face, so I love updos. So that's all. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. I feel like a broken record saying please subscribe to me. Please help me get to 400,000. It would mean the world. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the support.